Hey guys, Leslie Josel from Order Out of Chaos, and what you might not know about me is that I'm actually a certified academic life coach for teens and college students, and I have worked with hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of students, actually of all ages, over the past 10 years. And I've also worked with their parents too. And the number one thing I hear from parents is how their children do not know how to study. Am I right? I see it all day long with the work I do with my kids. They don't know how to study, they don't know how to create a study guide or work with flashcards, they don't know how to plan for exams. When I ask them if they know how to do those things, I basically get just that glazed look over their face. So it's taken me a little bit, but what I've created, I am really super excited about. So what we've done is we've created 5 tutorials. They are 30 minutes each. Each one comes with either a handout or a PDF or a worksheet that you can use alongside it. But what makes it really, really special is that I've kind of pulled back the curtain, and you're gonna get all of my tips, all of my tools, all of my resources that I use with my private coaching clients. So you're gonna be able to follow along and take some of those things and apply it to yourself. It is absolutely not a one size fits all. I work with a lot of students with a lot of different learning styles, so I am sure you're going to find things in there that are going to fit your style exactly. So here's what you can do. You're going to go on the site, there's 5 tutorials, and each one, when you click on it, we're going to give you what's called a sneak peek. It's about a minute or 2 of the content that you're going to get on the tutorials so you can see what you're going to get. So I hope you're going to watch them. I hope you find them as useful as we think they're going to be. And always let us know what you think.